You're a baby dog, aren't you? Come here, baby. Come here. Come here. Look at Oakley. There he goes. There he goes. Down the hill. Again. You stuck? Pick up that bicycle down there, Oakley. No. Take that wagon off and you can push it better. It's too heavy. Darn gnats. Boy, you have muscles, don't you? Big boy. Hmm?
I'm gonna take the wagon off. Go put the wagon somewhere else.
Okay.
Do it now. Do it. Do it because when I go down, I have to think about the.
Okay.
Quit!
Okay. That was your dad's tractor, you know.
Turn it off!